Hi, Madam SUZIYANTI. I'm Mahendran Rao here. So today I'm going to demonstrate a PLC ladder diagram using PLC simulator application for question A, which is based on a multi-channel fire detection and alarm system project. So basically the input and the output were already given. So based on that information given, I'll manufacture the ladder diagram. So first I'll add the rung coil here. Then I'll press add button. So now I'm gonna add the first NO, which is first button known as system start. And the second button, the switch, represents the fire detector. So the third switch represents the system of switching circuit, and the fourth switch, it represents the system stops, which means this button is a button that the system will stop. So once we press the button, the system automatically will be stopped. Okay, now I'm gonna add a sub-rung between third button, which is 102, and fourth button, which is 103. So yes, gonna add. Okay, I already add this. So for this I add another switch button, which represents which represents 24 DC power supply. The power supply for the lift motor works. So now I'm gonna add coil. So first of all, the first coil on top of the right is representing the siren, which alerts by alarming once it detects the fire. So now I'm gonna add the second coil, which represents the water pump, where it pumps the water into the fire to pull out of it. And the third coil represents the door, which is known as an emergency exit door. And the fourth coil represents the lift motor, where the lift motor works by receiving 24 DC power supply, whereas I mentioned just now. And yeah, so I'm done with this PLC ladder diagram. So now I'm gonna press the play button. So let's see how it works. So now I'm gonna on first switch, second switch, third switch, and the fifth, which is 104. So as you see, the blue line, it represents it symbolically. We should understand that the system works now, which means the system in the mode of the on. So it's system on, so it works now. So once I switch on the fourth button, which is 103, okay, you guys will manage to see that the line changes to black, including the output, the 4 outputs also, which means now the system doesn't work at all, and it not able to detect any fire or any other things, because I've already switched on the system stop button. So whereas the system will automatically stop and it cannot detect any fire, and I'll switch off the button, system stop button again, and you will see the blue line appears again, which means the system's on again automatically. Yeah, so I guess that's all from me. I hope this demonstration for question A is very much clear, and I hope I've explained it clearly. So yeah, thank you very much. That's all from me, Mahendran Rao.